So this is one of my favorite parks to go to. So if you can hear crunching under my feet, but I guess that comes with the territory. Look at this. It's amazing. This place kind of reminds me of a little fairy cave. We're coming up to one of my favorite parts of this entire place. It's absolutely amazing. You guys will love it. So behind me you'll see, like, look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Now it's important to remember to try not to feed ducks things like bread. It can actually be really bad for their digestive system. You're better off getting like a handful of peas, like frozen peas, and giving it to them instead, because it's healthier for them. They won't necessarily go through digestion constraints and they won't suffer. So I'm just leaving now. Hopefully you like it as much as I do.